Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect, and in today's video we are going to learn how to send AI-powered follow-up emails after product purchase via Stripe. So whenever a product is purchased on Stripe, sending mails manually can be a very time-consuming process. So we are going to automate this process by integrating Stripe with OpenAI to Gmail. So whenever a payment is made on Stripe, OpenAI will send them automated mails by the prompt that we have provided it. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing automation, then let me take you to my screen. Here I have created this workflow in which you can send AI-powered follow-up emails after a product purchase in Stripe. So whenever a product is purchased on Stripe, we will send an automated mail through OpenAI. Before we begin the procedure of creating this workflow, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, here it says waiting for webhook response. So it says do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here. So for this, we have to complete a payment on Stripe. Here I'm going to purchase this membership card. I'm going to copy this URL and paste it in a new tab. So here I'm going to purchase this membership card, for which I'm going to add all the details like my email ID and all the other details. These are all dummy details. Here I am going to provide cardholder name as dummy user and I am going to complete my payment. And here it says, thank you for your payment. A payment to Stripe will appear on your statement. Now I am going back to my workflow and here we can see it has collected a response B in which we have all the details. Now here you simply have to refresh the fields. Your new details will be added and then you have to simply click on Save and Send Test Request. And here it says Response Status Sent. So I'm going to check on my mail whether we have received it or not. And we have received this mail from Stripe and it says thank you for your payment, dummy user. And here we have received this email which has all the details that we provided in our prompt to OpenAI. If you also want to create this amazing automation, then we have to visit Pabbly Connect's website and for that open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/connect and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Connect. But first let me introduce you to Pabbly Community. This is the official Pabbly Community. Here you can get exclusive access to real-time updates, helpful resources and support from both team and fellow users. Here you can share your ideas, ask questions and discover latest features using Pabbly applications. So join the Pabbly community today. Now we are back to Pabbly Connect's main landing page. Here we get two options for sign in and for sign up. If you are an existing user, click on sign in, and if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'm going to click on sign in and then I'm going to access Pabbly Connect. You can create a new folder with this plus button and here you have to provide your folder name and simply click on create. Now to create a new workflow, simply click on create workflow. Here we get two workflow builder options. First one is new beta version, which is modern, faster and more flexible version. And another one is classic version, which is stable with a familiar approach. So I'm going to select the classic one and here I'm going to name our workflow as send AI-powered follow-up emails after product purchase via Stripe. And I'm going to simply create it. And it says workflow created successfully. Now it will redirect us to this workflow. Here we get two modules. First one is trigger and another one is action. So whenever a trigger event happens, it provides a ripple effect as action. So here I'm going to first choose the trigger application as Stripe. Now we have to choose trigger event. So as we are creating a flow for product purchase, so I'm going to select this checkout completed trigger. Here it has provided us URL and it says to add webhook to your Stripe account, follow these steps. So we are going to follow these steps in which it says sign in to your Stripe account and navigate the developers page. So here I have appeared on my Stripe account. And now I'm going to navigate this developers page. I'm going to click on it and here I'm going to navigate webhooks. Here we get all the previously created webhook links. To create a new webhook, click on add endpoint. So here we have to provide endpoint URL, which we are going to copy from Pabbly Connect and paste it here like this. Now here you can add a description if you want, but I'm going to leave it empty. Now it says listen to events on your account or events connected accounts. So I'm going to select events on your account and I'm going to select the current version. And it says select events to listen to. So I'm going to select events, and here as you can see it says select events, drop down, choose checkout session completed. So here I'm going to select the checkout, in which I'm going to select the checkout session completed. And I'm going to simply click on add endpoint. I'm going to click on add endpoint again. And here we can see webhook status have been enabled. Now we have successfully integrated Stripe with Pabbly Connect. So now I'm back to my workflow, and here it says waiting for webhook response. Here it says do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in webhook response. So now I'm going to do a test submission, and for that we have to go towards payment links, and here I'm going to open this product and I'm going to copy the URL and open it in new tab. So here I'm going to create a payment for membership card. For that here I have used my email, and here I'm going to add my card details like this, and here I'm going to use dummy user India and I'm going to click on pay. And here the payment has been processed, and now I'm going to check whether we have received the webhook response or not. And here we can see that we have received the response in our Pabbly Connect's workflow. So here we can see all the details, the name that we used, dummy user, and our email ID. So now we are going to integrate it with OpenAI. So here I'm going to search for OpenAI, and here as action event I'm going to use ChatGPT, and I'm going to click on connect. Here it is asking for connection name and token, and to get an API token we have to visit OpenAI API keys page. So I'm going to click on it, and it will redirect us to API keys page. Here we get a list of previously created API keys. To create a new one, simply click on create new secret key. Here you simply have to provide a test key name and default project settings, and then click on create secret key. As I've already created my secret key, I'm going to paste my secret key here like this, and I'm going to click on save. Now you simply have to select a AI model. I have selected GPT 4.0 mini, and here we have to provide a prompt. So here I'm going to provide this prompt like this. I'm going to edit it a little bit like this, and now we are going to map the data. Mapping is a process in which instead of manually writing all the details, we feed the data received from Stripe. So here I'm going to add customer's name. So here I'm going to search the customer name from Stripe. And here I have found my data object customer details name as dummy user. So here I have added it. And now we will not have to manually add the data every single time. It will automatically change the customer name after every payment submission. Now I simply have to click on save and send test request. And here as we can see we have received these details. That means the AI assistant has been integrated successfully. Now all we have to do is, now next up we have to integrate it with our Gmail account. So here I'm going to search for Gmail, and here I'm going to click on Gmail, and now we have to choose the action event as send email. Now I'm simply going to connect my Gmail to Pabbly Connect. Here, if you have not already connected your Gmail to Pabbly Connect, you have to choose add new connection. Here I'm going to show you how to add a new connection. You simply have to select your Gmail. Then I'm going to simply click on connect with Gmail. Choose your email ID and provide all the access, and simply click on continue, and authorization will be successful. Now we are going to map the data here as well, received from OpenAI as well as Stripe. So here I'm going to map the recipient email. We have to search for recipient email. Here we have received it. So I'm going to add this email address. I'm going to leave these both fields empty, and then we are going to provide a sender name Stripe because the payment was done through Stripe. Now I'm going to provide email subject as thank you for your purchase, dummy user. Now we are going to convert it into a dynamic field by mapping the data. So here I'm going to add the field of name as dummy user. Now this name will change to each user after their purchase. Here I'm going to select email content type as HTML because we generated prompt in HTML format. Now in email content, I'm going to map the data from OpenAI that we have received here like this, and now it will automatically generate an email for us. Now I'm going to leave these both fields empty as we have no attachment required, and I'm going to simply click on save and send test. And here as we can see, it responds us with done, response type this given response, and it says response status has been sent. That means it has sent the purchase mail on the given Gmail account. So now I'm going to check my Gmail and see whether we have received the status or not. So here as we can see, we have received a mail from Stripe that says thank you for your purchase, dummy user. And here it has also provided us all the details that we gave in prompt to our OpenAI. So this is how we generate AI-powered follow-up emails after a successful purchase done on Stripe. If you also want to create this amazing automation, you can follow the process I've shown in this video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automations with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.